So we are here, Stakafjallet. We're going up to this road over here and going up to something called Stakafjallet. It's the closest mountain to my house, and it's a very unique place because the forest here is very old. It actually dates back to the 1600s, and we're going up to pick some mushrooms. It's a yellow chanterelle that we are out for, so we'll see. And we're going to celebrate my girlfriend because it's her 38th anniversary. So very cool. This nature over here it's the Swedish mountains, and I'm going to give you a view. So it's 3 kilometers to Stakafjallet. It's 13 to Skalfjallet. You have a big lake called Storfullvörn, and it's very good fishing over there. Never been fishing there myself, but Maria's grandpa was very often there. If you have the time to visit this place, you should actually do it. It's not that hard to find. You just go to Storbränna, and then you find your way to Stakafjallet. Kom här nu. So it's a very easy hike. Upwards is this small little trail, and so it's just a hike on. See you in a while. So we're getting some height, coming up further and further up. It's a very steep slope here, so we need to take it a little bit careful when we walk on the boards. Now we're really starting to get up, get some height. It's actually this hill first. Well, it's starting to get dark. I'm out hunting for water. All I can say is we're very high up, but there's not a lot of water here. You can actually see the edge of the mountain, how it goes here. It's really steep. And you can see the mountains in behind there. Real cool. Well, I'm gonna try to track back over the top here and see if we can find some water so I can boil it. Keep on searching. I don't want to go down there, it's too far. Well, as you can see, it's pretty dark now, but I found water. So finally, I actually found water. So I'm going to show you the water we're going to boil. It's not the best, but it's the only water that we have around here. So it's just around the bend here. I'm gonna see if I can put on the camera. I mean the flash. So now finally the flash is on. I know it's a little bit windy here. So what I did is that I ran up that hill and I looked around the whole mountain, because that's the highest peak, to see where potentially I could find water close by. And the only thing that I actually found that was a little bit similar, I mean, it's pretty far up there to see from there, and the only thing I found was this little hole. And I mean, it's not a lot of water. So here it is. You can see this little pool. That's the only water that's up on this mountain. So now, and I mean, it's not the nicest stuff, but if you boil it, you can drink it. I mean, a little bit hummus. I'm not gonna take that. That's one thing for sure. But that I'm taking. Even that it browns, I don't actually care. And some cloudberries. Thank you for this vitamin C. You can see it. Eating that. Yeah. Oh, there we go one. It's actually a lot of these starting to be a little bit white, but you can still eat them. So see you in a while. So this is the shroom that we're looking for. It's yellow chanterelle. You can see it in the grass. It's not that easy to find them because everything else is yellow and brown and everything. But there they are, the yellow chanterelle. so it's not that easy to discover them. But as you can see over here, you have the mushrooms. It's really yellowish. So just careful. This is the thing. It's if you find one, you need to be really look really carefully, because there's always mushrooms hiding. You see that one? That's actually not so small. If you open it up, you can actually see how big it is, and you only saw this little thing. I mean, it's a pretty decent mushroom. It's actually 2. So, just gonna fix them up, put them in the bag. Can you see the mushroom? Can you? Because if I go down and I'm just open it up, here they are.